Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to access DALL-E 3 text-to-image generation for free. DALL-E 3 is a powerful AI tool that can generate realistic images from text descriptions. It's still in development, but it's already been used to create some amazing and creative images. In the past, DALL-E 3 was only available to a limited number of users. But now, thanks to Bing Image Creator, anyone can access DALL-E 3 for free. To access DALL-E 3 through Bing Image Creator, simply open your browser and go to bing.com. Then, click on the Images tab and enter your text prompt. For example, let's try the following prompt: a 3D render of a coffee mug placed on a windowsill during a stormy day. The storm outside the window is reflected in the coffee, with miniature lightning bolts and turbulent waves seen inside the mug. The room is dimly lit, adding to the dramatic atmosphere. Once you've entered your prompt, click on the search button. Bing will then display a grid of images generated by DALL-E 3. You can also try the following prompt: close-up photograph of a hermit crab nestled in wet sand, with sea foam nearby and the details of its shell and texture of the sand accentuated. That's it. You can now use DALL-E 3 to generate realistic images from text descriptions for free. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.